Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Let's begin with a sketch of a mobile and money clutch. First we will draw a simple rectangle outline representing the main body of the clutch. This will be perfect size to hold both your mobile phone and essential cards. Now, let's add curved edges to give a sleek and modern look. We will then divide the interior into sections. Start by sketching a slot on the left side for your mobile phone. This will keep your device easily essential. Next, we will add a few smaller compartments on the right. Let's add a zipper pocket here for extra security and conventions. Now, let's focus on the closer. We will draw a flap on the top of the clutch. This flap will have a mechanic. Moving to the front of the clutch, let's design a stylish exterior.